sweat, don't you?
These buildings though, yeah.
Is that outside or inside? Look at the handprints.
I know.
Oh, those are all outside. You can feel when the rag wipes across them. We're all done? We're all done? Covered up? Shit, we're ready, dude. It's ready to open up now. We're ready to get a crew of people up here and open it up.
Sure looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Clean as a whistle. Make sure this door's closed.
Yeah, lock both doors.
Yep, good.
I'll lock that one, lock that one.